Who are you? What do you do?
So we're Pogo Linux. We're a systems integrator. We sell HPC clusters, we sell workstations, we sell general use servers, mostly to the Linux market. We focus on customers who need specific Linux help, either on the support side or through integration services.
Let's talk about your product line.
Sure.
Tell me a little bit about it. Are we talking about servers, workstations?
We focus on customers who need a little bit more than just a run-of-the-mill server. They need, either high-performance computing, lots of memory, fast processors. One of the things we're doing now is a lot of things with solid-state disks, that sort of acceleration technologies that are now available, and putting it all together and making it work with Linux. So there's a lot of options out there in the marketplace, but there aren't a whole lot where they can really get the Linux support that they need, like they can get from us.
Do you have a Xeon E5 product?
Of course. We have many Xeon E5 products.
Tell me about them.
Well, we've got 1Us, 2Us, 3Us, 4Us. I mean, we pretty much have everything across the board. Small memory footprints, big memory footprints. We've got a lot of storage offerings as well that are based on it. We've found that the I/O performance through those processors and the architecture around it is incredibly fast and provides our customers with something they just didn't have before.
So the E5 is a big step for your customers up from, say, the 5600, the previous generation?
Absolutely. Yeah, they're really happy with the performance. It's one of those things where, something new comes out and they're like, well, is this really going to be big, that much better than the last one? All the customers who've had it in the field, they love it.
So translate that into some real terms for me. Sure, it's faster, but where do your customers see it? Where's the rubber hit the road?
Well, virtualization is a big market for us. We have a lot of hosting customers because a lot of hosting customers use Linux, and so it's a perfect match for us. So a lot of them are out there, and they're running these big VM environments, and they need the hardware underneath that's going to support all that virtualization. And E5 is perfect for that.
So in virtualization, we might be talking about memory bandwidth, memory capacity.
Memory issues, processing power. Obviously, the virtual environments themselves being able to communicate direct with the hardware or not. Depending on what the environment is.
There you go. So, what other services can you offer your customers?
Well, we do a lot of help on the storage integration side, and with either existing client systems or new servers. Providing that consulting help to make sure all the pieces come together. Everything we do is pre-configured in one way or another, and almost all of it revolves around pre-configuring it with Linux.